Hello friends, in today's video we are going to tell you about such apps with the help of which you can easily earn a minimum of $100 to $1,000 by working for a few hours at home, just by playing games or completing some surveys. Start playing the right games. Start playing the games that pay you to play. When you play games that pay you cold hard cash winnings to play, you suddenly won't be so concerned about the time you spend playing. You'll be way too busy on all your earnings. There are many games that you need to start playing now so that you can get paid. This video is not sponsored. We have found 5 such apps for you with which you can start earning money from today itself. So without any delay, let's start the video, but before that please like the video and subscribe the channel. Number 1, make $200 by opinions. Opinions, everyone has them, but not everyone gets paid for them. Brands have questions for you, and they will pay up per survey to get your answers. You can answer as many surveys as you want today to start earning. All you have to do is download the Gagnez app. This survey app is the real deal for you. Most of its users earn $50 cash within their first 3 days of downloading. It only takes 10 minutes or less to do most surveys. You'll be making money in no time. Download today to start earning cash for what you have to say. Number 2, get paid up to $500 a month to try free products. The perfect side hustle should be a high-paying, low-commitment, simple work-from-home opportunity. This sounds like a tall order, but it is now easier to attain than ever before. The perfect side hustle does exist, and it only takes a few clicks to get started. You can become a product tester and potentially earn hundreds of dollars every month. That's right, you can get paid to get free products sent to your door. Brands are seeking consumer opinions to make their products better, and they're paying people like you to test their stuff. Product Review Jobs is the site that hooks you up with paid opportunities from brands to try and review products in the comfort of your own home. Register with Product Review Jobs to start getting paid opportunities and free products today. The average payment per product review is $25 to $30. Get started and find out how much can you earn. Number 3, Android game apps. Do you find yourself playing mobile games like Candy Crush, 8-Ball Pool, or Angry Birds? Are the games you're playing paying you for the time you spend on them? Let me guess, they're probably not. But you do find yourself spending a little cash in the games yourself? Make the games you play pay you for a change. If you own an Android device, Cash Alarm will give you the opportunity to earn cash on the side. Download at least 2 games the day you sign up and you can earn up to $150 to $200. Doesn't that sound like a deal, playing games and getting paid to play them? You bet it does. Download Cash Alarm now to find the games that are waiting for you to play them, and in return, you get paid to play. It's completely free and easy to use. So use your time to your benefit and get fast payouts today through playing with Cash Alarm. Number 4, gift cards. Playing games to earn cash might sound too good to be true. Millions of users have downloaded Misplay and earned in excess of $20 million to date. It's quite simple really. After downloading Misplay, you'll create yourself a profile and start playing games you'll actually enjoy. The more time that's spent playing, the more rewards you can earn. Getting rewarded for playing games is exactly what Misplay wants its users to do, and they've ensured that only the most entertaining and diverse group of mobile games is made available on their platform for just about everyone to find something they can enjoy. When you're done having an absolute blast playing games, and remember that you're actually accumulating rewards at the same time, you can hop on over to their shop and see what cool prizes and gift cards you can redeem those points for. There aren't many things better than earning rewards for playing games you actually enjoy, and Misplay makes it incredibly easy to get started earning today. Number 5, earn money watching videos and checking email. Inbox dollars is the easiest way to earn money for your daily habits. It's so simple that you'll wish you already had an account when you use this app. You can earn cash for doing everyday activities, like watching videos, reading emails, and shopping online. Each time you do the activity, the app will pay you money that you can access through PayPal. It really doesn't get much easier to make money than that. According to me, you can start earning money from today itself, so without any delay and without thinking anything, download your favorite app and start earning money from today itself. And if you liked the video, then do like the video and subscribe to the channel.